Producing biochar is as much an art as it is a science. When you get the balance right, feedstock, temperature, residence times, flow rates, you aren't just running a machine. You're at the forefront of a global climate solution. Hi, I'm Travis Mays, founder of Lyntra. I believe that the difference between a good plant and a world-class facility isn't just the technology, it's the expertise of the people behind the controls. That is why Lyntra has partnered with the International Biochar Initiative to bring you the Biochar Operator course. Mastery of this process means more than just keeping the lights on. It's about maximising CO2 sequestration, ensuring optimal biochar quality, and building a facility that stands as a model for the industry. We've packed over 10 hours of high-level video instruction into 7 intensive modules. In Module 1, we'll be covering the fundamentals, what makes biochar so unique, the science of pyrolysis, feedstocks, and how we produce biochar along with its co-products. Module 2 is all about the fundamentals of site safety. We cover the basics of handling hazardous materials through to lockout tagout, giving you a solid foundational framework that you can then adapt to your specific plant and local regulations. In Modules 3, 4 and 5, we master the machine. We cover daily operations, troubleshooting and bridge the gap between production and maintenance teams. In Modules 6 and 7, you'll learn how to interpret lab results, meet international quality standards and understand the carbon credit markets that make these plants bankable. All plants are different, so along with our 10 plus hours of content, we've built structured templates that you can tweak for your specific plant, covering things such as operators' logs, SOPs, incident reporting and more. Throughout the course, we've also included 3 practice exams that you can test your knowledge in real time. It then all culminates in a final exam. When you pass, you'll receive an IBI-backed certificate of completion. In a rapidly growing market, this provides industry-recognised validation that you have mastered the core principles of safe and professional biochar operation. We're at a turning point. Biochar is moving out of the research papers and onto the global stage. We are seeing its impact everywhere, from restoring soil health and increasing crop yields to permanent carbon sequestration and even the next generation of sustainable building materials. The possibilities of biochar are still being uncovered, but these possibilities can only be realised if the plants producing it are safe, efficient and reliable. This is your chance to master the craft and be part of the movement that makes it happen. My name is Travis Mays and I'm proud to be part of this journey with you. I'll see you in Module 1.